Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. This video will be an Incfile business service review. So today I want to provide you a thorough, transparent look at my own experience as well as others using Incfile for incorporation, registered agent and compliance services over the past year. I've also been closely researching and reviewing various incorporation services for over the year. So I'm going to provide you with an informed, experience-based perspective on how Incfile stacks up after relying on them for quite some time now. So in researching the best registered agent and incorporation services, Incfile comes up on the top of the list. One blog review stood out that praised Incfile's affordable pricing, responsive customer support, and its long history in the industry. This really did appeal to me and I wanted to try it out, as I wanted an established, reputable company to handle this critical part of the business. Signing up on their website takes less than 10 minutes. It's quick, painless, and Incfile's site makes it really easy to understand each step. Next up, you need to get your EIN, which you can do with the IRS or through Incfile, which only takes about 5 minutes through their automated process. It's very smooth and simple. You will have to wait around 1 week for the full incorporation process to be completed and for the filings to go through. But even while waiting, Incfile will still send you updates along the way. And once everything is official, they will reach out to provide your full corporate documents and company details through their back office dashboard. This back office gives you easy access to all your important compliance documents, company info, registered agent status, and other resources. It's really been hugely helpful to have everything in one organized, secure online portal. And now for my actual experience working with Incfile as an existing customer. They have completely delivered on their promises and provided fantastic service that has exceeded all of my expectations. If you need an LLC or a similar document to be filed, then you should seriously consider using Incfile. Get your free download by using the link in our description in this video. And anytime I've had a question or a compliance need, their support team has responded quickly with knowledge guidance. So in summary, if you're exploring incorporation and compliance services, I absolutely recommend considering Incfile based on using them myself for quite some time now. But be sure to do your own research to find the best match for your needs and budget. Staying organized with your business paperwork and filings is extremely important, so use Incfile's resources and compliance reminders to make the entire process smoother. Don't let yourself get behind on required filings. I hope that this in-depth kind of look with Incfile has been helpful as you evaluate your options. Let me know if you have any other questions or if you want me to make any comparison videos in the future. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it to be helpful or enjoyable to watch, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for future videos.